Hello, 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 hello. Hi. So the other day I was doing some thinking. I've been preparing for the new year just like anyone else, and I've been thinking and reflecting and trying to think of a New Year's resolution. So there I was, sat on my computer doing some Googling, and I came across something called decision fatigue. And I was like, hang on, what's this? Because I sometimes feel like my brain is an overwhelming place. There's a lot happening in it and a lot of decisions that I'm making. Now, I'm not saying that these decisions are important, which is the whole point of decision fatigue. Decision fatigue is where we are like overwhelmed with all of the different options and choices that we're having to make a day. So I continued my Googling journey to try and find out a little bit more about decision fatigue. And then I stumbled across loads of articles speaking of the most successful people in the world and how they combat decision fatigue by wearing the same outfit every day. This means by taking one little decision out of their day, they can have the chance to focus on a bigger decision later on in their day. Decision fatigue helps explain why ordinarily sensible people get angry at colleagues and families, splurge on clothes, buy junk food at the supermarket, and can't resist the dealer's offer to rust-proof their new car. No matter how rational and high-minded you try to be, you can't make decision after decision without paying a biological price. It's different from ordinary physical fatigue. You're not consciously aware of being tired, but you're low on mental energy. So I decided to give it a go. Another reason I really wanted to try this is because until Easter, I've made the decision to only buy secondhand clothes. So I'm thinking this was a really great way to reuse what I already have in my wardrobe. So let's begin. I just want to quickly pop in before this video begins. If I'm really quiet and I seem lackluster in this video, I apologise, but it's because I didn't want my family hearing me explaining that I'm only wearing one outfit, because I just wanted to see if they realised or not. So stick around to the end to see if they realised. Today we are starting 5 days of wearing the same outfit because I have really been trying to get my knowledge up on fast fashion lately, and I have been alarmed at everything going on in the world. Just like everyone, I feel like everyone's been like, I know what's happening, scary. So I decided, let's see if anyone notices me wearing the same outfits for 5 days. I wanted this to be a bit more than just like jeans and t-shirt, because I feel like that my family and friends wouldn't notice if I just wore jeans and t-shirt. Worn an outfit that's quite like, not memorable, because it's not, it's literally so basic. Because that way it's a bit of like, oh, she wore that the other day. And I want to see if anyone comments, particularly my family. Obviously I'm going to have to wash them in between because I don't want to be grim. Let's see. So the outfit I've got on, being sure if this is what I'm going to wear, I've got these white like button thing, green and blue turtleneck with this navy jumper. We shall see. I'm going to wear Doc Martens with it, and obviously a coat because it's freezing outside. Okay peeps, I've changed into this grey jumper because it's a bit warmer. Do you know what I mean? I mean, this is actually quite a boring outfit, don't judge me. We're keeping it simple. Ribbon in my hair. I look a bit more dishevelled now because it's the end of the day. This is the outfit we're going to be wearing for the next 5 days. And Dad, he's wearing. Just wants to go in the toilet, to be honest with you. Good morning. So it is day 2 of wearing the same outfit. And you know what's so weird? So I loved wearing school uniform at school because it just means that you don't have to worry. And I remember when I changed in sixth form, you had to wear like smart suit clothes. It was a big change, and I just missed uniform so much because you didn't have to worry when you woke up. You just got into your uniform and you were fine. But it kind of feels like that today. Like, I just woke up, I don't have to think about it, can just put on the same exact outfit as I had on yesterday, which is kind of nice. And they always say, isn't it, they say when you've got more clothes, you struggle more with what to wear because you have more options, something like that. I'm not sure if that's true or not. I already want to wash it, already feel a bit grim, so I'm going to have to try and do that tonight. At the same time, I also want the creativity of something to wear. It's weird, my mind's like, ooh, pick something fun and new. The other side of my brain's like,
Nice that you've got it picked out already.
I think it's because we're going to our friends. I'd like to pick a new outfit, but I reckon my brother and sister will say something. But my mum and dad won't. But you know, your siblings are the most savage of all. You just wear the same outfit every day and you're fine. In the day 2 outfit. Hi Mum! Are you ready for breakfast? I don't know actually. Can Dad make pancakes? No, what's occurring? What are you doing? I just found another benefit less cleaning, because if you think about it, all of my clothes just end up on the floor. Whereas if you've got one outfit, it's on the floor, you put it on. And it's just like a rotation. So I wouldn't have to do tidying up with some other things to do. Bosh. Oh. So I've tidied my room. This is the current situation. So I wonder if, I'll keep you posted each day. I wonder if it will stay tidy because I'm not going to have loads of clothes flying around. You know what's funny? Normally when I do these challenges, it's something quite obvious that when I go out in the general public, they'll notice. When I did dressing out of my comfort zone, things like that, it's things that I'd be worried about. But this isn't really a challenge for anyone else to be like judging at, because no one knows. Like in the general public, no one knows that I wore this yesterday. Do you know what I mean? That's the whole thing. Yeah, really it's just one day, so it's not really a challenge at the moment, because I am an outfit repeater. Put my hands up, I have done same outfit twice before, haven't we all? Anyway, I'm going to Tesco's now, so I was going to update you like I normally do in these videos, but there isn't really anything to update you on. Encountered a slight issue. I'm here making some, I'm going to call them putty brownies. There's another name for them, and if you know, you know. But they're like, you lay the cookie dough and you do the Oreos, and then you do the brownie on top. But as I was making it, the whisk spewed out some brownie. I've tried to like get it off my leg, but you can definitely still see it here. Slight issue, so I'm definitely gonna have to wash these tonight. Annoying I can't change because we're going to our friends now. I look like a messy pup, but we get over it. Put this on here in the oven, and I also made a panettone bread and butter pudding. Fantastic. Let's get this sexy shot of the brownie being poured over. Is it satisfying or does it just look like poop? They look so sexy. Ooh, ooh, put her in the oven. Let's go check on the brownies. We're about to go out, so no one has said anything about said outfit today. So yeah, I got it. Don't you worry, bro, I'm on it. Putty brownies. Bread and butter pudding. Look at this, Jess. I saw it in Tesco and I just had, yeah, the Boots don't rate caramel. I'm gonna write on it. I hate it when people don't write on labels.
Salmon en croûte.
I love this. Fantastic. I tried to make that a fun little scene, open this segment of the vlog, but my lights aren't working. It's day 3, and obviously I washed my clothes last night, so let's hope that they're actually dry. Here they are on the right. Yes. Fab. Any of this dry? Yes. Oh, I threw a bit, I went too big. Same as yesterday, I got stuff all over. I'm gonna make some waffles in my gym jams. I don't get anything dirty. Do your thing. Stunning. You can witness me trying to open this maple syrup, and I swear it's the hardest thing. Why is it so hard to open things in the morning? Also, how weird did my hand look? This is my hand. Can you believe it? It's mine. Look. Wouldn't know that, would you? Looks like someone else's. Anyway, sorry. I then got my bottle opener, can opener thing, and it worked. So we got there in the end. So I just had a manic few minutes trying to get ready, but I didn't have to worry about my outfit. That would have been like an extra 8 minutes that I was trying to get ready. Well, we all know that's a lie because I literally take 2 minutes to get ready in the morning, but we'll let her off. It didn't matter because I had my outfit all sorted for me. He's going to come out absolutely covered. I feel like he's just disappearing. Good boy! Got my ball, mate. So I have been on a lovely walk. It was very muddy and my friends actually had to lend me their wellies because mine would not have sufficed. And somehow the white trousers have stayed white. I'm about to go to Waitrose because, quite frankly, my favourite activity when Christmas is over is looking at everything that's half price, all the food options. And last year, Waitrose had these turkey and stuffing crisps that were incredible and I got them for like 32p. I bought loads. and I'm hoping that they're going to be half price again. It wasn't very practical. I should have thought about that. I was going on a muddy walk and have white jeans on. Anyway, let's go and see if they've got the turkey and stuffing crisps. They didn't have them, but let me just tell you, Waitrose was rammed with offers. Everything was basically half price. It was a great time. And look at this, people were literally queuing for the clearance section. We just got back from Waitrose and gutting there was no turkey and stuffing crisps. We get over it because I found so many things. Literally, there were people swarming the sales. So here we have, this new ice cream wasn't on sale, but I've never seen it before. Thought it looked really, really good. So cherry and almond flavour mallows. All of this stuff is dairy free. These roasted and salted nuts, which were £2. And these as well, maple and sesame. How good do they sound? Little chocolate, dark chocolate lolly, mint chocolate Neapolitans, also dairy free. This sourdough, which just was really, literally was like, Grace, eat me. And I was like, you know what? I will, because I went to get the last sourdough French stick and someone took it. Literally, it was kind of awkward because he looked at me and then I thought it was me, like, oh, you can have it, but he didn't. Hello, it's me again, and it is day 4 of the same outfit, and I'm loving it. Quite frankly, I absolutely love it. I can just wake up and I don't have to think, and I just feel like it lets me get on with the rest of my day. So I mean, not that I don't really normally spend that much time thinking about my outfit regardless, but this just means that I have free some space in my brain. Have you noticed? What? I've worn the same outfit for 4 days.
Ooh, gross.
No, I've washed it in between.
Did you get the thing from Jessie about that?
You haven't noticed that I've been wearing the same outfit? All of the black. Oh my god. Are you ready for a power move? Look at this. True. It's not on offer yet. Outfit is still going strong. Look how good these look. These are on reduction. Little paint of tackles. Hello, it's still day 4. I've been shopping this morning, had a great time. I'm really getting into this one outfit thing. Maybe this has become my outfit that I'll wear forever and ever and ever. But literally no one said anything. I don't even know if they've noticed. I reckon my sister will have, but she won't have said anything. Now I'm going to the cinema tonight, and I actually personally always put on tracksuit bottoms when I go to the cinema because who wants to be restricted? But I can't because I've got to wear this one outfit. So we went to see Little Women in the cinema, and let me just tell you, it's one of the best films I've ever seen. It is so wholesome and pure and enjoyable. And then we were the last ones in the cinema, and that's never happened before. That was so much fun. And then we went to get drinks at Pizza Express, and I just really liked the plants that were hanging. Hi, so we just got back from the cinema. It was great. Wasn't it great?
It was incredible.
It was so good. I had the best time. And now I'm gonna get ready for bed. So whilst we're at the cinema, Emily Sutherland, I'm talking to you, I know you're watching this, threw a chocolate raisin at me. I'm livid, Emily. This is some of my favourite trousers. You'll rule the day. Chloe, you haven't even noticed I've worn the same outfit for 5 days.
No, I did notice.
You...
I didn't want to be mean.
Obviously I washed it in between.
I saw you kept wearing the trousers. I thought, oh, she's just vibing them.
That's exactly what I said. People would notice, but they wouldn't care. Hello boys and girls. Right, I have made it into 2020. Look at that. 1 4. Oh, sorry, can you just go away for a sec? Wednesday, had stayed in an outfit. To be honest with you, I had a great time. Love a boogie. I do enjoy a boogie, I'm not gonna lie. Also look at Penelope, come into bed with me. Go with romps. Good morning, it's day 1 of being able to wear my own outfits again. And I do have to say, look how much tidier my room is. Although it doesn't still look tidy. But there's only one outfit on the floor, and that's the outfit that I've been wearing. Welcome to a debrief with Greg. I feel like I really enjoyed this one. I really enjoyed not having to think in the morning. I don't know if that's because I'm lazy. Number 2, I did miss the creativity though. I didn't realise how much enjoy going wild with my outfits. I don't know whether I go wild, I'm very basic, but like just having the creative freedom to wear whatever you want, because you know you're in the shower and you're plotting what you're going to wear. You're going to be like, oh, I'm going to go for those trousers today, but you can't do that because it's just not how it works. And also a big obvious con was that I got the clothes dirty, but then at the end of the day, people like Obama and that, they have more than one of the same outfits, so that doesn't matter too much to them, but to me it mattered. Also, my sister was the only one who noticed, and she didn't even say anything, which I think just goes to show that people might notice that you're wearing the same thing, but really, would they care, and would they care enough to be like, oh my gosh, she's wearing the same outfit? Like, does anyone actually care that much? They would notice, but I just don't think they would care. All in all, I had quite a good time. I'm sure in the comments I'm going to see the more pros and cons. So please let me know down below what you think about wearing one outfit. And I think I've really enjoyed this one. Anyway, let me know if there are any challenges or things like this that you want me to do. Let me know down below, and I hope you enjoy.